give him the mic and let's ask
Yes,
him
of course.
kaise hain ye ageless, the #1 star of South. How have you managed to stay this fit and ageless? How, sir? We can't give away some trade secrets, I believe there. Is it?
I'll just be, it's just a joke. Don't take it serious. Okay, it's just that everybody around me aged. I stayed.
But is it a state of mind? Because I saw you, sir. I have not seen many superstars of your stature to be in the moment and enjoy something so heartfully. It was beautiful to see that smile when we were watching Rashmika's song. Can we clap to that childlike quality जो हम सब पीछे छोड़ जाते हैं? Yes. Do you have a tip for us, sir? Everybody, you know, these things go viral. Fitness, being ageless.
No tips, please. Everybody be what they want and they'll be fine.
How lovely. Rashmika, can we have you take that mic
Yes,
and
ma'am.
tell the audience here, your fans here, कि आप एक #1 स्टार के बगल में खड़े हो, खुद भी बहुत #1 उन्होंने कहा है 3 साल में जो आपकी फिल्मोग्राफी रही है, शायद इनकी भी नहीं रही है. तो for being part of Kubera, the high point for you as an actor, क्या था?
High point for me as an actor. Being in the dump yard for like 6 hours. The high point of me as an actor in Kubera. Because actually, ma'am, it, as in like Dhanu sir said, it has somehow like gotten us back to our roots. It was like an eye-opener, you know, this film in a way. But also getting this privilege to work in this film, work with this character, and also Shekhar Kamala sir has a way of always getting their actors to real locations. They don't like put up a set and all of that. So we were actually like doing, I don't know if I can say this, but gorilla shoots.
Yeah.
Can we? Okay, I got. Yeah, now it's done. So, you know, you guys, I'm sure you guys are aware of what gorilla shoot is. So we were holding the camera and running around like the whole day, and we were like, okay, get into the car. Okay, get out of the car. Now we got to get this shot. And we didn't even see the monitor. We didn't even know what we were going for. But the master of it all was Shekhar sir. And getting to work with him, I think all of us have really like given it in for this film. So I hope you guys really like it.
Bless you and thank you for that story. I have a quick question from Entertainment of India. Shravan wants to ask you this, Rashmika. Ki you've played such emotionally rich characters before, but in Kubera, where emotions meet ambition and greed, what part of the role left a mark on you?
I think honestly, you haven't seen much of this character yet. Because there's a lot more. As in, so far we've seen one teaser and this song. And this song is also like she going a little off, you know, the story just to have a little bit of her life and her fun. But the story, you still don't know anything about this character, and you will be, in fact, surprised tomorrow when you watch it. And I think I'm waiting for that moment.
The trailer to be out?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the question. I don't think you need to do this, but somebody still wants to know. Did you ever feel like manifesting some Kubera energy for your bank balance too?
Oh. Listen, guys, the reality is you will be shocked. Every day, I do manifest, but it doesn't come true. I'm kidding. I'm happy. I'm happy where I am. I'm really grateful where I am. And thank you for all your love, because of you, I am where I am today. And thank you. And that's all.
That love you give us on Instagram, and we take it with all our might. Thank you for those beautifully inspirational positivity ka bhandar wale videos. Being #1 actress, do you want to say something to everyone who is being toying you and saying this is the #1 actor in a really long time of your kind of art?
Ma'am, the way you're saying it, no, I'm feeling a lot of pressure right now. Like, I'm like, should I give like very inspirational answer or motivational answer? I don't know. But thank you for saying that, sir. Wait.
We're all waiting.
Sorry. No, thank you for saying that. But I feel like I honestly have just started, because I don't know what this whole #1 situation is because we're doing films in the South, we're doing films in Bollywood. So I don't know what this race is about, but I know for sure that I'm just starting.
One more question. Why
Again?
Bartaman?
I think
I will give it to sir as well. Debabrati Bhattacharya wants to ask you, after the huge success of pan-India movies like Pushpa, Animal, you are the pan-India queen. Let's make some noise for that, yeah? What
Thank you,
is
whoever
your
said
take
that.
on pan-India movies, and also what is your biggest takeaway from this movie?
Am I I think we should actually have this point where all of you guys are answering. You know, I think it'll be a cool mix-up. Henna? Huh?
We love you.
What? I didn't hear. Say it again
Say
now.
love you.
Be nice.
They're always nice to you because you're so nice to them.
No, but this film, sir. Sir?
Twinkle Twinkle Superstar बोल रहे हैं वो.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You're too special. Thank
That's
you.
Chaitanya sir who was telling me earlier on, Naga sir, that your son's name. Okay, we'll come to you, Naga sir. This one's from a journalist called Benson Philip from Lokmat. Benson, are you here? Aapka character in Kubera is a wealthy man grappling with deep internal struggles despite his outward success. How did you approach adding depth to such a complex role, and your key message that you'd like to give to the audience through this journey?
I think somebody got it completely wrong. Okay. No,
So
no.
you
But I
want-
definitely don't want to reveal what I am in the film also.
Ah.
Yeah, but
So we'll keep that a secret, sir.
yeah.
We'll move on to the next question. Smita ji from Dainik Jagran. जब भी South cinema की बात होती है, you are one star, the rooted star of the cinema, who's always stayed connected with grassroots. How important is that for an actor, sir?
So here we bring the North Star and the South Star again. So anyway, but let me thank the audience from the north of Vindhyas. I thank you very much for accepting the films which are coming from Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, Cochin, all of. I'm so very happy you're seeing all the films that are being made in India. Just like we have been seeing all the films that have been made in India for a long time. I'm so happy you're seeing all of them, and you're also appreciating our films. God bless and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. I think it's all connected. We are all are aware. Is there something you'd like to tell all your fans? This is not a very common moment for me as a fan, as a presenter, and for your fans and media here. कोई आप message देना चाहेंगे, नाग sir?
Somebody's.
कोई
want me to
message? हाँ.
Some message to my fans. Keep watching my films.
Yeah.
What else can I say? Thank you. I love you guys. Thank you for watching our films.
Okay, I'm going to move on to Jim. Here are some media questions for you. This is Samina Sheikh from Zoom saying कि regional cinema एक pan-Indian movie बन चुकी है अभी ये वाली. Expectations are also on the rise when one sees the growth of an actor. What will be unique about you in this film?
Again, Pan India? Who? This one?
Sorry, Nag sir. I'm so sorry.
Sorry, can you ask it again, please?
What is the unique thing about you being part of a pan-India film? This is your growth as well as an actor, right?
Yeah, sure. No, I love having, I love being in a South film now, especially with Shekhar Kamula at the head and such incredible producers and a really stacked cast. I mean, what more can you ask for your first South film? And it's going to be dubbed in all, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi. It's going to have a pan-Indian release. I think this is more or less the future of Indian cinema. Is it being
Wow.
pan-Indian as much as possible?
Love that answer. Filmy Beat से अभिषेक पूछना चाहते हैं. We know you want to be a part of this movie for the great makers, the lovely co-actors. But if there was one approach that attracted you to this character, वो क्या था? Filmy Beat, Abhishek.
Approach that attracted me to the character. Well, I think I wasn't. I think I'm attracted to the story and the fact that it is a parable, a class struggle parable. That is what is the most attractive to me. I believe it is really important to tell this kind of a story and to remember what true wealth is.
Thank you. Sorry about that. No, just one last question to Nag sir before we leave. Everybody, should we? आपको याद है वो गाना तुम मिले दिल खिले? आपको याद है? Nag sir, you've done some phenomenal films in Hindi, and we want to see you come back there. You still have that charm. You still have that presence. You still have that heart. When do we see you?
What do you mean I still have that charm?
It never left you, did it? I mean, just says, when are
Just
you
wanted
going
to correct that.
When are you going to come back and show us
Yes,
a bit of that
of
magic?
course. No, all these films, these are all meant to be Hindi films. After this, I have another film called Coolie that is also going to be releasing in Hindi. And I have been working in Hindi films for so long. And especially, I think I've worked in more of my South dubbed films into Hindi, which were appreciated quite a bit up here. And that's what they talk about, and now in the mainstream too. So it's fantastic. I never felt this difference. I never felt it. Never
Neither
felt
did
it.
we. We just want to see you back romancing the way you did back
I'm
then.
here. When did I say I left? I'm always here.
Thank you. For the co-producers, would you like to say something? Kubera is special to all the actors, to all the cast. Sir, would you like to say something?